Hi, welcome to Outside with Club SciKidz. Today what you need to do is go outside and I would like you to look up at the sky. So let's go ahead and look up at the sky. What do you see? Depending on what day it is and where you are, your sky is going to look a lot different than mine. Right now, mine is a blue sky, not a cloud in the sky. Depending on where you are, depends on what you see. Did you know that the clouds you see can tell you a lot about the weather? Today we're going to learn about different kinds of clouds and what they can tell you about the weather. There are many different types of clouds. Most types of clouds fall under four different kinds of clouds: cirrus, alto, stratus, and cumulus clouds. The first type is cirrus clouds. These are the most common kind of high clouds. They're composed of ice and they're thin and wispy. They're usually white and predict fair to pleasant weather. CIRROSTRATUS clouds are also thin and high clouds, but it's more of like a sheet-like cover that goes across the entire sky. They usually come about 12 to 24 hours before a rain or snowstorm. CIRROCUMULUS clouds appear as small rounded white puffs that appear in long rows. The small ripples in the CIRROCUMULUS clouds sometimes resemble the scales of a fish. In tropical regions, it may indicate an approaching hurricane. They're usually seen in the winter and indicate fair but cold weather. ALTOSTRATUS clouds are gray or blue-gray, and they're mid-level clouds composed of ice crystals and water droplets. They generally cover the entire sky. They often form ahead of storms with continuous rain or snow. ALTOCUMULUS clouds are mid-level clouds that are made of water droplets and appear as gray, puffy masses. If you see ALTOCUMULUS clouds on a warm, sticky morning, be prepared to see thunderstorms late in the afternoon. Stratus clouds are uniform grayish clouds that often cover the entire sky. They resemble fog that doesn't reach the ground. Light mist and drizzle sometimes falls out of these clouds. Cumulus clouds are white, puffy clouds that look like pieces of floating cotton. Cumulus clouds are often called fair weather clouds. The base of each cloud is flat and the top of each cloud has rounded towers. Cumulonimbus clouds are thunderstorm clouds. Their high winds can flatten the top of the cloud into an anvil-like shape. Cumulonimbus clouds are associated with heavy rain, snow, hail, lightning, and even tornadoes.